How to remove or hide repost on Instagram in 2025. So here's a quick step by step. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to your profile and then tap the repost tab. Open the repost and then tap the three dots icon and then choose remove repost or remove from profile. Step 2. On any post that you reposted, tap the share or paper plane button, and if it shows reposted, tap again to undo the repost. Step 3. When you see unwanted repost in the home feed, you can tap the three dots and then click not interested to train the algorithm. Then you can also mute that account from the same menu. Step 4. Go to your settings and then privacy and then story and then toggle off allowing sharings to story. And then check Reels settings for allow others to remix or share. Step 5. Make your account private. You can go to your settings and privacy, and then account privacy, and then turn on your private account. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.